Welcome and Jai Hind, dear defense aspirants. Today, this is me, Gurkirat from Centurion Defense Academy, and here I am very excited to announce this very happening news about launching the complete English medium batch for NDA 2 2025 aspirants. Yes, you heard it right. This batch is known as the NDA Jaguar batch. So let's dive deep into the NDA 2 2025 Jaguar batch, why we launched it, what is the requirement, what are the benefits, how are you going to prepare, and how is the journey going to be. Let's get started. So dear aspirants, as you all know that at Centurion Defense Academy, we consistently produce future officers with unmatched results. Today, we are here to introduce the all-new NDA Jaguar batch. So let's dive deep into. So first thing is, what is NDA Jaguar batch? As the name suggests. See, Jaguar batch mein what are we going to give you is, first of all, this is going to be a full English medium batch. Next, this will be targeting NDA 2 2025 aspirants. Then this is ideal for the non-Hindi speakers. The absolute leader in defense preparation, Team Centurion is all here. Not only for NDA 2 2025 but for NDA 1 2026 and so on. From now onwards, we will be separately running the NDA Jaguar batch in order to help and aid the non-Hindi speakers who want to prepare with Centurion Defense Academy. So let's get started for the NDA 2 2025 preparation. So dear aspirants, we are proud to launch this NDA Jaguar batch because this is a completely English medium batch exclusively for the NDA preparation. So if you are someone who learns and communicates better in English, this batch is made for you. Now why English medium for the NDA? Because this removes language barrier, boosts clarity in study plus communication, ideal for the SSB interviews, followed by that support students from South and North East India. So what happens is कि English is not just a language, है ना? It's a key skill for defense aspirants. So students from Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, the Northeast and the other non-Hindi speaking regions often struggle in Hindi based batches. The Jaguar batch removes that barrier, making learning smooth and communication confident, especially for the SSB interview. And now comes what is the specialization of the Centurion batches. See, what happens is at Centurion Defense Academy, we believe in launching particular batches for particular category of students, and that is the key to our success, along with the individual and the personalized guidance. That is why we are able to render highest number of selections in India. Every fourth girl at NDA is our student, right? So why separate batches? Even if I'll tell you some examples, like especially for girls, we have launched Pragati batch, hai na? So every fourth NDA girl is a Centurion and she belongs to Pragati batch. Now for South Indian students, because you only understand English, so now you will be taking admission into which batch? Jaguar batch, English medium students ke excellence ke liye, right? Followed by that, we've also launched completely BrahMos batch, which is a Hindi medium batch for the students who have already studied into Hindi medium. They are unable to understand English well, so we take care even of them, and that is a huge success. Full batch when it comes to BrahMos batch. Even for the foundation batches also, these are for the basics to selection batches which we launch for 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th class students. So that's why. Okay. So this is how the journey is going to be. So now we complete this circle with the Jaguar English batch, empowering English medium aspirants, isn't it? And that sounds great. Next is real results and real ranks. When it comes to Centurion, 100 plus selections already in the year 2025 we've made till date. I'm doing this video and the selections are still counting. Followed by that, yes, we make 3 to 4 officers every week, and consistently all India rank 1, 2, 3 are all in our bags, right? The next part is also that Centurion isn't about claims, it's about proofs. In 2025 alone, as I told, that 100 plus authentic selections we have made. We are producing so many selections. definitely as students, they keep raising the bar, right? Coming on to the next is what are the advantages of Centurion, right? First is like the air library, the computer lab you're going to get, Centurion digital application access for the students, meanwhile we give for assistance, followed by that is the expert mentorship and SSB guidance that you get, strategic content R&D teams that you get, India's largest physical GTO ground that you're getting, right? And most important is the only real selections and only real students, which is the major feature. Now, why NDA Jaguar batch, dear students? Because there's a tailored program for English medium learners, prepares you for written plus SSB, smooth plus confident communication के लिए this prepares you, and definitely gateway to top NDA performance. So you have to step into this batch. And if you prefer English, want clarity in studies and wish to grow confident in the SSB, then Jaguar is your batch. Centurion is not just a coaching, it's a mission to create leaders in uniform, right? Coming on to the next part, ठीक है? The absolute leader Centurion advantages. Let me count you once more. All the basics. Why you should join, why you should convince your parents to come here, Lucknow or Dehradun. This stands like the 3 to 4 officers producing weekly, as I already said, in which we are scaling new heights. NDA Pragati batch, you have BrahMos Foundation, we have different batches for everybody. This is a small recap, right? 100 plus authentic selections are there, consistently producing toppers, libraries are there, most experienced mentors are there. Then we have this hybrid learning system, individual personalized feedback system is there, true mentor leadership by Shishir Dikshit sir, who is the chief defense exam mentor, strategy content is there, committed to defense and nothing else is the one major key line that we follow. We have genuine results, real faces, and they're not stock images, and yes, definitely the highest genuine and authentic selection rate in India. Now, what you can do is join now, limited seats are available. NDA Jaguar means English plus excellence plus empowerment, so be the next Centurion officer. And here, thereby, I invite you all to join the NDA Jaguar batch today itself. Let Centurion be your launchpad to becoming the future officer. So for that, what you can do, you can visit our website or call us now because seats are limited. So Centurion Defense Academy is scaling new heights, one officer at a time. With this hope, my message is clear. So dear aspirants, do give us a call, talk to our experienced counselors. They are professional and have good experience to give you the right counseling and guidance for your upcoming NDA exam career. Till then, stay tuned to the official YouTube channel of Centurion Defense Academy. Thank you, Namaskar and Jai Hind.
डियर एस्पिरेंट्स, क्या आप भी NDA 2025 एग्जामिनेशन को क्रैक करना चाहते हैं अपने पहले प्रयास में? तो आज ही इनरोल करें सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के रिटन प्लस SSB कोर्स में, जो आपको देने वाला है रेगुलर क्लासेस, डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस, फ्री स्टडी मटेरियल्स, ट्रेन्ड फैकल्टीज, एक्सपर्ट्स ऑफ द SSB पैनल, फ्री SSB कोचिंग, इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट GTO ग्राउंड के साथ में डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस, वीकली मॉक टेस्ट, रिगरस प्रैक्टिस। ये एक ऐसा संस्थान है जहां हम आपको A to Z प्रिपरेशन कराते हैं और आपको नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी की कड़ी तैयारी कराते हैं। प्राउडली ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1, 2, 3, 4 जैसे रैंक्स देने वाली सेंचुरी डिफेंस एकेडमी आपको वेलकम करती है टू जॉइन आवर अपकमिंग कोर्सेज फॉर योर NDA एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन। Please call on 97959 77776 for more information. Thank you, Namaskar and Jai Hind.